Yes, welcome back to mathematics class students. So we are discussing quadratic formula, right? Using the formula method, how to find out the roots of the quadratic equation. We discussed two problems. Now I took one more problem. Okay. So here 2x square minus 2 root 2x plus 1 which is equal to 0. Okay. So now this is the quadratic equation. We have to find out the roots of this equation with the help of quadratic formula. First step is ax square plus bx plus c which is equal to 0. Now a value is 2. B value is minus 2 root 2. Then C value is plus 1. Got the idea of this one? A value is 2, B value is 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2, C value is plus 1. Now we have to take the formula. So, which is the formula? X is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. Okay, so now we have to substitute the value. Substitution I will show here. X is equal to minus B value. B is minus 2 root 2. So, minus of minus 2 root 2 we will get. Right now, minus B. So then, plus or minus square root of minus B square 2 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 2 whole square. Then minus 4AC 4 into A value is 2. C value is 1. Okay. Divided by 2 into 4. Sorry, 2 into 2. Right now? Correct substitution and all right. So you have to think, okay, you have to see that when substitution is right now. So minus b plus or minus b square minus 4 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 2, 2a. Right now? Yes. Now next step. See here, you have to be very careful while simplifying. Minus of minus in the sense plus 2 root 2. Minus into minus plus 2 root 2. Then plus or minus square root of. So minus 2 root 2 whole square is there. So you have to simplify it properly. Minus 2 root 2 whole square in the sense minus 2 root 2 into minus 2 root 2. Right now minus 2 root 2 into minus 2 root 2. Minus into minus plus. Then 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. Then root 2 into root 2 is root 2 into root 2 is root 2 whole square. Then square root get cancelled 2. That is 4 2s are 8. Right now, how many of you got 8? Yes, Vaishnavi GM got the answer. 8. When we simplified that minus 2 root 2 whole square, we got the answer as 8. Okay, 8. Got the idea? Yes, now minus 4 2s are 8. 8 1s are 8. So divided by 2 2s are 4. Now we got one more different situation. What you are observing actually? So in square number, inside the square, we will get 0. Okay, 0. Then x is equal to 2 root 2 plus or minus square root of 8 minus 8 is 0 divided by 4. Now we are facing one more type of situation. Not a problem. Situation. Square root of 0 is? Square root of 0 is? Square root of 0 is 0 only. Yes, square root of 0 is 0 only. So, x is equal to 2 root 2 plus or minus 0 divided by 4. 2 root 2 plus or minus 0 divided by 4. Now, see, this condition is 0. Now, which condition is 0? Actually, this b square minus 4ac becomes 0 now. B square minus 4AC which is equal to 0 actually. In this type of situation actually, you will get the equal roots. What you will get actually? Equal roots. Equal roots. Roots are real and equal. Okay. Roots are real and equal. That we will discuss in the next class also. Nature of the roots. Next topic is nature of the roots. Okay. In that we will discuss. Now just we are discussing the formula method. How to find out the roots of the equation using formula. Okay. Now one thing you notice, when you get the 0 in place of b square minus 4ac. Where is that b square minus 4ac? Here inside the square line. Okay, if you get 0, then whatever roots you will get, the same roots, repeated roots you will get. Okay, how? You just see. X is equal to 2 root 2 plus or minus 0. This term is 0 only. Divided by 4. Then x is equal to 2 root 2 by 4 only, no? 2 root 2 by 4. 2 root 2 by 4. So that side is 0. Okay. So you can apply that one as plus 0 then minus 0. No use that one. Okay. So then 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 twos are. X is equal to root 2 divided by 2. X is equal to root 2 divided by 2. So now you have to simplify this. X is equal to root 2 divided by 2 in the form of 2, you have to write it as root 2 into root 2. So we discussed in one chapter, no, this one. Okay. So root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2. Because root 2 into root 2 is also 2 only. Now this root 2 get cancelled. X value is 1 by root 2. What is the value of x here? X is equal to 1 divided by root 2. I think you have got the idea of this topic, no? Root 2 divided by 2 is there. 2 is nothing but root 2 into root 2. Okay. So then numerator root 2, denominator 1 root 2 get cancelled. So in the numerator there is 1 now. So in the denominator root 2. So 1 by root 2 is the value. X is equal to 1 by root 2. Only one root we got, no? Which is the another one. Another one is also same because we have 2 root 2 plus 0, 2 root 2 minus 0. If we apply root 2 root 2 plus 0 also we'll get the same answer. If we apply 2 root 2 minus 0 also same answer. There is no difference between this plus 0 and adding 0. It does not impact on this value. Subtracting 0 from this does not impact the value for this 2 root 2 divided by 4. So that's why here you will get repeating value. X is equal to 1 by root 2. Again you will get x is equal to 1 by root 2 only. So that you will directly decide that if you get 0 here, then you will get the repeating roots. X is equal to 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Are the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, roots are equal here. Roots are equal. Two roots are same to same. Roots are equal. Okay, of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 2 root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. You may get this type of situation in one filling the blanks or one more question. Okay, see, when this b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then you will get the equal roots. Got the idea of this one? Why you will get equal roots? Because root 2 plus 0 divided by 4 one situation, or 2 root 2 minus 0 divided by 4. Adding 0, subtracting 0, this value becomes same, no? So that's why you will get the same root 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. Sorry, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. How you got 1 by root 2? Got the idea, no, students? Root 2 by 2 you got actually, but we have to write it in the form of root 2 divided by 2. Root 2 we can express in the form of root 2 into root 2. So root 2 get cancelled. Therefore 1 by root 2 is the root. So 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2 are the equal roots of the given quadratic equation. See, first problem, second problem and third problem. Each problems are different from each other, no? Okay, so got the idea of this formula method? Got the idea of this formula method, students? Can I give homework now? Can you work out the problems using formula method? Yes? Yes. Now, I cannot give the complete exercise. Better, we'll do one thing. Because third exercise is actually, see, do one thing. In the third exercise, first main, actually, find the roots of the following quadratic equations if they exist by the method of completing square. By the method of completing square they have given. You just work out this problem with the help of formula method, or better you take equations. Okay, I will write the equations. For that you just practice the formula method. First exercise problem we'll take. Okay, so then we'll discuss the exercise problems tomorrow. Okay, take the equations. You have to use the formula method. 5x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is first equation. Next to 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Third one, x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Fourth one, 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Fifth one, root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Sixth one, 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 which is equal to 0. Okay, so then seventh one I'll write here. Seventh one, 100x square minus 20x plus 1 which is equal to 0. Okay, total 7 problems today's homework. Okay, you just work out these problems in directly fair or rough also. Okay, are you writing the quadratic equation notes, students? So I think no need to send from my side, no, because just a definition you write once, quadratic equation definition you write, general form you write, then you have to directly start with the example problems and exercise problem. Or if you want, today I'll send. Okay, you can prepare the notes and all. So you have to develop the reading of the textbook also, the textbook part, whatever given the definition, some stories will be given, no. So that also you have to read. Is that clear, students? Yes, total 7 problems you have to work out with the help of formula method. Solve this quadratic equation. Solve the 7 quadratic equations with the help of formula method. Is that clear? Yes? Okay. So then tomorrow also we'll spend time for the formula method only, because many problems are there in the exercise part. Okay. So tomorrow also we'll spend for the formula method only. Then we'll discuss completing the square method in for only one problem I'll explain with the completing square method, only for your knowledge purpose. Okay, not for the sake of the examination. Is that clear, students? This formula method is very, very important for examination. Compulsorily 2 marks question. Okay, yes, got the idea now. Do you have any confusion regarding this? If you are having any confusion, we'll discuss now. Otherwise, we'll continue tomorrow. Be ready with these 7 solutions, okay? Assignment part and all you are working, no? Today I am not going to drag the class because already time is 11:42. Next class is there for you. Which subject? Social science. Social science. Okay. Next, Divya Mataji will take the class. Divya Mataji will send another link. Okay, in another classroom. Okay, she is taking. She will send the link. Then join with that respective link. Okay. Do you want to discuss anything? ಮಾತಾಜಿ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದು ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀರಾ ವಿಚ್ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪನ್ನಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ second one is with me in the second assignment fourth assignment solution you want now only. Okay, fourth assignment solution if you want I'll send. In the second assignment problem, every how many of you got the answer for all the question in the second assignment? In the second assignment, how many of you got all the solutions? Second assignment. Second assignment is, yes, Rashmi got the answer. Yes, Rashmi, very good. Good work. Okay. Maintain this work only, Rashmi. Yes. 1 second, students. Now the class is over now. I think we'll stop the recording portion, no? Okay, we'll discuss something. So we have to discuss, no? So let us stop the recording portion. So don't go anywhere. Class is not over. Stop the recording.